Welcome to Schofield Labs. Today this weekend it's my birthday weekend, and I want to do a bedroom makeover. So this is where I do all my Zoom classes, and this is my backdrop, and I'm going to move it so you can see the rest of my room. So I'm going to put in a loft right over there, but first I have to clean some of my room. This is the end of the video. Like I said, I did a birthday makeover because my birthday is next week, and there actually came with a desk that kind of matches the wood that's already put in my room, and there's also the mattress that I had before, fits in perfectly. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!